a little second to tell you as we see a prophecy that came true. You see, we need to believe that he literally bled through the clothes on his back. His sweat that day was just like crimson rain. Crimson stains tied bounty, and the devil can't wash these stains away. Who's he, you ask, is a friend of me, cause my inability he was sent for me. I hear birds and trees, they're all telling me it's a good thing in one Gethsemane, cause this